To make delicious chocolate shortbread cookies, combine 2 cups, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon, 1.4 grams of salt, 1/4 cup, 30 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder into a large mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, beat 1 cup, 227 grams of room temperature butter for about 5 minutes or until it's soft and creamy. Beat 0.75 cups, 150 grams of white sugar into the butter. Add 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract to the butter mixture. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until they are just incorporated into the butter. Make the dough into a disc and chill it for at least an hour. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 162.7 degrees Celsius, and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll the dough into balls about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters across, and place them on the baking sheets, making sure to leave some space between the cookies. Put the 2 trays in the oven for about 10 minutes, then switch the positions of the top and bottom trays. Let the cookies bake for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the cookie comes out clean. Set them on a rack to cool and sprinkle them with cocoa powder for added texture and flavor.